If you want to erase a locked iPhone with your computer, then what you do is open this website iCloud.com/find. Then you have to enter the email ID that you have used in the locked iPhone. Next, then enter the password and then next. Now for this one to work, Find My feature should be enabled in iPhone, which is enabled by default. So now this website is trying to locate the devices which has used the same Apple ID. So right now I can see there are 3 devices which uses the same Apple ID. This is my iMac. This is my iPhone. So this is the iPhone which is locked. So what I will do is I will click on this information icon here, and then if I want to erase the iPhone, I can click on this option erase iPhone. So if I click this option erase, then what happens is all the content that are present in the iPhone will be erased, and then you have to set a new passcode. You might be able to restore the iPhone if you have backed up your iPhone to the iCloud earlier.